Understanding fence-sitting in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fence-sitting. This is a common expression used in English to describe a particular behavior or attitude, and understanding it can really enrich your conversational skills. The term, fence-sitting, refers to the act of not making a decision between two or more possibilities. Imagine someone literally sitting on a fence, not moving to either side. It's a metaphor for indecision or neutrality. When someone is accused of fence-sitting, it often implies that they are avoiding making a choice or taking a stand on an issue. The phrase likely comes from the idea of a physical fence marking a boundary. If you're sitting on it, you're not in either yard, you're in between. It suggests a lack of commitment to either side of a dispute or argument. Now, let's put this phrase into action. Here are some examples. During the debate, she was fence-sitting and wouldn't commit to either side's viewpoint. The manager's fence-sitting on the issue is causing frustration among team members. Notice how the phrase is used to describe someone's reluctance to choose. While sometimes being neutral is necessary, fence-sitting often carries a negative connotation. It can suggest that someone is being indecisive out of fear of making enemies or facing the consequences of their choice. It's important to understand the context when you come across this phrase. That's all on fence-sitting for today. Remember, being clear in your communication is key in any language, and knowing phrases like this one can help you express yourself more precisely. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your growing knowledge of English. Thanks for watching, and don't be a fence-sitter in your learning journey. Keep exploring and growing.